What's up guys, this is Masi, welcome to my channel. This video I want to show you how to solve quadratic equations using quadratic formula. This is part 6. If you haven't watched the first 5 parts, I highly recommend you to go back and start from part 1. This example, I have x squared plus 13x plus 40 equals to 0. If I want to use the quadratic formula, just find a, b, and c. A is the coefficient of x squared, which is 1 in this case. B is coefficient of x, 13, and c is 40. So x1 and x2 will be negative b, negative 13, plus minus b squared, 13 squared, minus 4 times 1 times 40, divided by 2 times a, which is 2. So I start simplifying. 13 squared is 169. 4 times 40 times 1 is 160, divided by 2. That will be negative 13 plus minus square root of 9 over 2. So we have negative 13 plus minus 3 over 2. So x1 will be negative 13 plus 3 over 2. x2 will be negative 13 minus 3 over 2. So here we have negative 10 over 2, which is negative 5. Negative 13 minus 3 is negative 16 over 2, which is negative 8. Next example. That's x squared plus, let's say, 3x squared plus 7x minus 2 equals to 0. So in this case, a is 3, b is 7, c is negative 2. So x1 and x2 are negative b, which is negative 7, plus minus b squared, 7 squared, minus 4 times a, which is 3, times negative 2, divided by 2 times a, which is 6. So we have negative 7 plus minus 49. 4 times 3, 12, times 2 is going to be 24. So plus 24 divided by 6. So we have negative 7 plus minus 49 plus 24, which will be 73 divided by 6. So we cannot simplify it more than that. So the answer is going to be negative 7 plus square root of 73 over 6, and the other one is negative 7 minus square root of 73 divided by 6. Next example, I have 6y squared minus 6y plus 1 equals to 0. A is 6, b is negative 9, c is 1. So we have y1 and y2. Negative b, which is 9, plus minus b squared 81 minus 4 times 6 times 1 divided by 2a, 2 times a, which is 2 times 6, and that's 12. So we have 9 plus minus 81 minus 24 divided by 12. So 81 minus 24 will be 57 divided by 2. So I leave it like that. These are the two answers. Next example. I have 2x squared minus 6x plus 3 equals to 0. So a is 2, b is negative 6, c is 3. So that will be x1 and x2 will be 6 plus minus negative, that's b squared, which is negative 6 squared. Negative 6 squared is 36 minus 4 times a times 3 times c, which is 3, divided by 2 times a. That will be 6 plus minus 36. 4 times 2, 8, times 3 is 24, divided by 4. So it's going to be 6 plus minus square root of 12 divided by 4. So we have 6 plus minus 2 root 3 divided by 4, or you can say is 3 plus minus root 3 divided by 2. So these are the two answers to this question. Next example. Five x squared plus 2x minus 4 equals to 0. A is 5, B is 2, C is negative 4. So x1 and x2, b squared 4, negative b is negative 2, plus minus b squared, 2 squared, which is 4, minus 4 times a times c, divided by 2 times a, which is 10. So we have negative 2 plus minus, negative 4 times negative 4 is 16, times 5 is 80, 80 plus 4 is going to be 84, divided by 10. So I basically leave it like that, or basically I can take 4 out. It will be negative 2 plus minus 2 root 21 divided by 10, or negative 1 plus minus root 21 divided by 5. The final example. Have 2x squared plus 3x plus 9 equals to 0. A is 2, B is 3, C is 9. So x1 and x2 are negative b, negative 3, plus minus b squared, which is 9, minus 4 times a times c, divided by 2 times a, 4. So now we have 4 times 2, 8, times 9 is going to be 72. So 9 minus 72 will be negative 63 over 4. So as you see here, under the roots we have negative number, so that's not possible. So we can say there is no answer or no solution to this question, because square root of negative number is not valid for real numbers. I hope you enjoyed this video. Please like this video if you found it interesting and useful, and please don't forget to subscribe to this channel. You can find out lots of videos regarding math and science in different playlists. Thank you for watching and have a great day.